The 2023 Ford GT is a limited production supercar that combines advanced aerodynamics, a lightweight carbon fiber body, and high-performance engineering, all inspired by Ford's legendary racing heritage. Exterior: the GT's exterior design is striking, featuring a sleek, low-slung profile with prominent air intakes, a massive rear wing, and a teardrop shape to enhance aerodynamic efficiency. Its carbon fiber bodywork reduces weight while enhancing performance. Performance: powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine producing 660 horsepower, the Ford GT delivers blistering speed with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The supercar can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds with a top speed of 216 miles per hour. Its advanced suspension system offers adjustable ride height and driving modes, allowing for both track-focused and street-legal performance. Interior: inside, the GT offers a minimalistic cockpit built for performance driving. Carbon fiber and Alcantara materials dominate the cabin, with fixed racing seats, a digital instrument cluster, and a Formula One-style steering wheel. It's designed for a focused driving experience with limited luxury but maximum function. Safety: while focused on performance, the GT does come with essential safety features like stability control, traction control, and high-performance brakes. However, it's light on advanced driver assistance systems due to its race-inspired design. Price: with a starting price of around $500,000, the 2023 Ford GT is one of the most expensive cars in Ford's lineup, largely due to its exclusivity, advanced engineering, and racing pedigree. Overall, the 2023 Ford GT is a performance masterpiece, offering cutting-edge technology, aerodynamics, and speed. It's designed for enthusiasts who seek a race-ready supercar that delivers thrilling performance both on and off the track.